Hey guys, I'm Ernest with UpFix, and today we're going to be showing you how to remove an instrument cluster panel for Ford F150 2004 to 2008. So let's dive right in. So in order to remove the instrument cluster panel, the first thing we're going to do is remove this bottom plastic trim piece, and then following up we're going to remove this plastic trim bezel over the instrument cluster, and then finally the instrument cluster yourself. If all goes well, this should take no more than 10-15 minutes. So let's start with the first one. I'm going to use a plastic trim remover like so, and just pry it towards yourself. It hangs loose. The other side, same thing, and you're going to see two 7mm bolts right here on each side. Remove this, and then this should free up. So I'm going to use a 7mm 1/4-inch driver socket, and go ahead and remove this like that. Loosen it up here. To gain access to the instrument cluster panel, I'm going to go ahead and remove this plastic trim bezel piece. And before I do that, I'm going to drop the steering wheel down low like so, and use the plastic trim remover on this side here. And there's a tab right on this edge. I'm going to pull towards myself like so. Get that loosened up towards yourself. And on this side it can be a little bit trickier with this plastic trim remover. So what I'm going to do is actually pull it out like so and towards myself, and this tab right here should just come right out like so. So once you have the two side tabs and the three tabs at the top disengaged, you can go ahead and remove it. However, even if you don't have a pedal position switch right here, you might still have this wire. In this case it does. So I'm going to put this like so and start moving it up. And there's a wire right here and a little tab locking mechanism. Just pull towards yourself and out. I'm going to go ahead and remove this plastic trim bezel piece. And now you see the four tabs holding in this instrument cluster in, along with these two plugs going into the cluster on each side at the very top. Removing the top two plugs is a fairly simple process. You can use a flathead screwdriver or even a key or your finger. And there's this little tab you press down while sliding down this locking mechanism right here, this arm. And as you pull it down, the plug will come right out. Like so. Do the same thing on this side. When reinstalling the instrument cluster plugs, make sure this locking mechanism is all the way out. You're going to put it in, and it's going to force the plug down, simultaneously making sure this locking arm locks it into place. And do the same thing for this, like so. And while it's being pushed down, the locking arm will lock in at the very top. So the last four bolts holding in this instrument cluster panel are also 7mm. I'm using a 6-inch 1/4-inch socket to remove it, and doing the top left corner. To remove the gear shift indicator at the very bottom that's physically attached to the steering column, remove this plastic trim right here. Right above the steering column, there's a little rubber piece right here. Simply disengage it. And there's two tabs that you're going to want to squeeze towards each other and just pull that shift indicator down. So once you find them, squeeze down and remove. So when you're removing the steering column shifter, simply press on these two tabs like so towards each other and just slide it right down out of the instrument cluster. And we recommend leaving it in here because it's mounted to the steering column via this hex bolt right here, and just leave it like so. And then you can go ahead and send it to us at UpFix. Our UpFix repair technicians will repair it and keep you updated every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.